Welcome to Session 1, the language of algebra. Today you will identify terms, coefficients, constants, expressions, and equations, translate verbal relationships without reversing their order, and evaluate an expression accurately for positive and negative inputs. Watch the structure, not just the arithmetic, because each move must preserve the meaning of the problem. The visual gives us the central idea. Read the expression from left to right, but classify it by structure. The coefficient is attached to the variable by multiplication, while the constant stands alone. The operation sign separates terms. This same visual reading prevents the common error of combining unlike terms. Use this first move. Name the unknown and assign a variable with units. Then, build one phrase at a time. Preserve the order of subtraction and division. Worked example. Translate a comparison phrase. Write an expression for 5 more than 3 times a number n. Step 1. 3 times a number gives 3n. Step 2. 5 more than adds 5 to that complete quantity. Step 3. The expression is 3n plus 5, not 3n plus 5. The final answer is 3n plus 5. Check that it satisfies the original conditions and carries the correct units. Now it is your turn. Translate 9 less than twice yo. Pause, write each algebra step, and use the next 6 seconds to finish your solution. Here is the modeled solution. The answer is 2y9. Build twice y first, then subtract 9 from that quantity. Verify it against the exact wording before moving on. Session 1 recap. Name the unknown and assign a variable with units. Next, build one phrase at a time. Preserve the order of subtraction and division. Then, use parentheses when an entire quantity is multiplied or divided. Finally, evaluate by substituting first and then following the order of operations. A complete solution shows the reasoning, checks the result, and states what the answer means.